Hello everyone, my name is Kamlesh. Today's date is 2nd December 2023, and today we will going to discuss on the topic that is difference between constraint and key in SQL database. So in our MySQL database we use the data manipulation with using the CRUD operation, and many operations will be performed on the database. So that is a unique operation, like constraint and keys are performed. They are declaring the keys and constraint. So first we discuss the what is constraint. So constraint is the set of business rule which is used to maintain the data inside the database. We will use constraint for identify the separately data inside the database. So there is mainly three types of constraint: domain constraint, entity constraint, and referential constraint. But the constraint having the integrity constraint. Integrity constraint means they can maintain the continuity and accuracy of our data inside the table. So first, domain integrity constraint, which is used for the we can use for the uniqueness, and domain integrity constraint using the like not null value, and we can simply say the primary key. And then next is a entity integrity constraint. Entity integrity constraint we use for the perform the operation, that is manipulating the data inside the database. And then next is a referential integrity constraint. Referential integrity constraint we use for the relationship between the two tables. We can create the relation between two tables inside our database. When we want to data in both the two tables, then we use the foreign key inside the referential integrity constraint. So whenever we learn the keys are the manipulate the data, and we can show to user the separate data by declaring the key. There are number of key inside the keys, like primary key, foreign key, unique key, candidate key, and super key. So primary key is nothing but it is a unique key. Inside a table, only one primary key is allocated. So the user only declare the one primary key can inside the one table. So primary key does not contain the null value, and it can maintain the data in the database. So next is a unique. So unique key is used in a number of unique key inside the table. It can contain the null values also. Unique key can we put the inside the table, that is ID, name, or there is a Aadhaar card, mobile number. So number of unique keys are inside our database. So next is a foreign key. Foreign key we use for the relationship between two tables. When we declare the foreign key, then the foreign key declaring the it can pointing the primary key of another table. So that is primary key and foreign key. And next is a super key. Super key is a superset of keys that is pointing to the candidate key. So super key we use the set of attributes to we can manipulate the data. And next is a candidate key. Candidate key inside a table there are number of candidate key. It can contain the uniqueness, and candidate key can it is also we can put the candidate key can maintain the primary key. So that's all about the today's topic, that is difference between constraint and keys. Thank you.